to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today we are receiving more update coming out from the crypto market. Not a lot of exciting news that we are receiving. However, tension continues to rise. So right now, bear is dominating the market and bull is trying to regain confidence within the market. So let's look at the global crypto market cap sitting around $928 billion here. But we have seen a 2.32% decrease within the last 24 hours. And also let's look at our total crypto market volume in the last 24 hours. It's around $83 billion here, which we have seen a significant jump in trading representing at 52.44%. And out of those volumes, 76 billion of trading volume consists of stablecoin, which represent 92% of trading here. So, however, Bitcoin dominant in the crypto market has decreased by 0.18%. Right now, holding around 39.46% of crypto share. So we have some crypto coins that are trending right now, such as Ethereum, point of work, very basically a scam, folks, so don't fall for it. So I'm very confident in Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, but however, bear are dominating the market, and right now, Bitcoin is experiencing a significant pullback as the Federal Reserve continue to raise up the interest rate by another 75 basis points. So we are expecting for that one. Okay, folks. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin today crashed below 19K. That was surprising. But however, we did regain above 19K, which was great. But however, bear are still dominating the market. That's what we are very concerned at. Let's look at Ethereum has been underperforming Bitcoin. This is very exciting. Bitcoin is still dominant within the crypto space. So don't just let go of your hope, because Bitcoin is a valuable asset. It's had only limited supply within the crypto market. So that is what we are seeing as a result, folks. Okay, Ethereum failed to hold 1500 right now. Ethereum might be testing 1300 within the next couple of days. So it's pretty bit unclear, but however, we are expecting more pullback within the crypto market. Even though we have seen a bit of recovery, however, bear are continuing to pull the market backward. And also the Fed threat of raising another 75 basis point, which is a major problem as the US dollar continues to surge. XRP and Cardano. XRP has been outperforming Cardano lately. Let's look at XRP market cap sitting around $19 billion here compared to Cardano sitting around $15 billion here. Solana has been very stabilized when this past couple days, sitting around 32, 33. Dogecoin launched their meme. So Dogecoin did beat Polkadot, and now they are in their 10th place here. However, Polkadot might retake Dogecoin rate. So, however, it's still unclear, folks. It's still unclear. Shiba Inu is now on the loose. The vibe is gone, folks. So, if you want to make some bit of money from these meme coins, it's quite untrue right now. So, okay, folks, let's look at crypto and fear index. Where are we at right now? So right now we are at extreme fear, scoring around 21 points. So we did score lower than yesterday, which was around 27 points, and even the week before, which was around 25 points. And right now, people are not very optimistic with the U.S. economy, and also really had a major impact on the performance of cryptocurrency. And not a lot of great stuff are coming out, folks. Okay, with all those bad news coming out, we are expecting crypto regulation, and people are now considering or thinking whether or not the CFTC will regulate cryptocurrency. And the CFTC consider most crypto asset or digital asset to be as a commodity, to treat them as a commodity. But however, with the SEC, which consider most digital asset are security. So we have two clashing conflict here. One considered to be a security, one considered to be as a commodity. So both language are very different in terms of regulation within the market. So with commodity, there are less regulation and less disclosure compared to as security. Whenever something is being treated as security, it's being treated to the full standard of federal law. So right now, people prefer the CFTC to regulate the crypto market since they consider those digital assets to be considered as commodity. However, Chairman Gary Gensler considered them to be security with the definition of a security. They are more regulatory disclosure that are required by federal law. That's why crypto investors don't like the term their crypto asset to be considered as a security. And also, many crypto exchanges in the US are pushing back against SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. So that's what we are seeing from the market. But that's just the beginning of regulation, and federal authority are stepping up regulating. And also, there was a bipartisan bill that was introduced in the US Senate in August by Senator Debbie Stabenow, John Boozman, Cory Booker, and John Thune. And their goal is to allow the CFTC to have more regulatory authority to regulate Ethereum and Bitcoin, which they consider them to be as a commodity. With the definition of a commodity, there are less regulatory scrutiny over those assets compared with them to be defined as security, which require more regulatory scrutiny. So that's what we are seeing here. And regulation are continuing, folks. So this is just a recent comment coming out from Representative Benham. Many digital assets constitute commodity. The CFTC expertise and experience make it the right regulator for the digital asset commodity market. So that is just a problem. A lot of stuff are coming out very unclear, but however, I am expecting regulation when the crypto market are coming. Okay, folks, despite those bear market, THNDR game just launched a play to earn Bitcoin solitaire mobile game. This is very exciting, folks. So they are pushing for the adoption of cryptocurrency, and this is just another way of incentivizing users to utilize the crypto network, especially with the Bitcoin Lightning Network that we are talking about. Very great stuff coming out from the market. Very excited though. Okay, folks. We have to move on. People are not very optimistic with the market, and Goldman Sach just issued a bear prediction for cryptocurrency, especially dealing with Bitcoin. So Goldman Sachs expect that due to macroeconomic factor and how pessimistic economics are expected within the next couple of months and even continue to 2023. Goldman Sachs stated that Bitcoin is at risk of crashing to $12,000 here. And right now, we are seeing signs of Bitcoin retesting above $15,000 once and again. Okay, folks. So, how likely is this? Very likely, very likely. As the Federal Reserve continues to raise up the interest rate, this is very likely. So that's what we are expecting from the market, folks. So don't be very bold because pullback are coming and we are expecting for more pullback despite everyone have been pushing for the adoption of cryptocurrency. Let's look forward. So with the past 24 hours and liquidation has been completed, more than $433 million worth of crypto asset has been liquidated within the crypto market over the past 24 hours. And Bitcoin just crashed under 20K. That is just a fair game, folks. So people are not very optimistic. We are seeing short sellers. They are buying at low, selling at a very high price. Right now, people are shorting the cryptocurrency. Shorting. Less confident in the market. That's what we are expecting. Okay, folks, in the end though, what are my thoughts with the crypto market as of right now? As of right now, there are so many factors that we need to take into consideration, especially how fragile the crypto ecosystem is right now. And also, lack of confidence in the market is fueling pessimism within the U.S. economic performance, within 2023. So prepare for the worst to come. Even though we have seen major adoption, major innovation, however, bear market are still there and the crypto winter is here. So just get ready for the crypto winter. And it's going to last for a long time. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time.